Welcome everyone. In today's video, I am going to be drawing a Zentangle on this cardstock for this calendar for the month of February. I received this as part of the subscription box from Minutes of Zen. The January subscription box had all these little calendars, and in today's video, the Zentangle is going to be heart themed. It is different than the one that Kelly showed as part of her subscription, which is why I thought I would show a video of this one. This is called Heart Spray, and it is by CZT Barbara Duell Johnson. So I have here my any ink pen is fine. This is the 0.3 Artist Loft. I thought I was going to draw it maybe in red, but then I decided that I'm going to use some color pencils. So these are the Faber-Castell pencils. I have this set. I have it in this little tea cardboard tin, and I pulled out 4. So we'll see if I go ahead and use those, but let's go ahead and come closer. So this one again is called Heart Spray, and it's very simple. So I'm just going to draw a wavy line and then maybe another branch coming out this way, another one this way, and then you're just going to go ahead and draw a heart on each tip. So whatever's easier for you. I thought I would start this way. Maybe draw the hearts like that, so any shape. You can also go this way. And maybe I will draw another branch like this. And then in between, we're going to go ahead and put some additional hearts. So not necessarily touching those branches, but just in between. Maybe one here. So that is the essence of Heart Spray. But I think I'm going to go ahead and maybe just keep putting some little hearts in here. And maybe another that branches out this way. So of course this is just fun for February. And then we can also embellish by maybe we can add some fescue. And that's just those with the little teardrop, and then we can color that in. So maybe here too, another fescue. We can add some little dots. Maybe another fescue here. So however you want to embellish, you can add orbs if you wanted to. I'll put another fescue here. And you can just go ahead and continue on. So let's go to our color pencils. So I think I'm going to start. This one is 716. They don't have names, but this looks like to be a true red. And I'm just going to go ahead and start coloring that in. You can do shading with the graphite if you wanted to. So just whatever, or you can just leave it plain. I do have the Micron PN pens that have the different colors. So as I mentioned, I was thinking maybe I could do that in red, but then I am into coloring with pencils at this point in time. So I thought I would do that. And let's see, this looks like this is 731, seems to be a darker pink. So maybe I will add that here to the top. And then just blend that on down. Maybe I'll take this one. This looks to be an orangey red. It's number 703. And maybe I'll color in one side and just here a little bit at the bottom. And I do like the way that these are actually coloring on this cardstock. And I'm going to take this lighter 704, seems to be a light pink. And I'll do the other side of that heart and then come and blend down. And so I'm just going to go ahead and continue with this. Okay, so let's continue on. This is the 703. I don't use these pencils that often. I did just recently get them. I am using some of them in some of my coloring pages. And let's see, let's use the 716 right here on top. They're pretty. Going back to the 704, maybe I will put this one here in the center of this heart. And then let's choose this 703, and I will put that here on top. So we'll sort of do a blend. Put that on top. And let's also put it here at the bottom, just to get a gradated heart. And I'm going to come back to the 704 and just blend into the top and bottom. So that's what these are looking like. And maybe we could do light. So light to medium to dark. So let's start with that 704, this light pink. Then I'm going to use 731, which is this darker pink. There in the center, and let's go with 716. This looks like that true red to me. And I will add that here at the bottom. And just come a little bit here at the top. And then I'm going to go back to the 704, the light pink. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that to blend the three colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video here and continue coloring in. And I'll be back. So I finished coloring in all the hearts, just different variations. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add just a couple more little embellishments. So just some little dots here and there. So you go ahead and add any embellishments you like to your heart's desire, pun intended. And, you can always add more fescue if you wanted to. We can go ahead and add one here, for example. Just little sprays and the other little embellishments. You can do more down here. Maybe I can put, a couple of hearts like that. And continue coloring those in. So again, this is Zentangle called Heart Spray by CZT Barbara Duell Johnson. So I hope you have an upcoming beautiful February. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.